The greatest disaster in human history was about to begin, a flood that would wipe out all life on Earth, except one family. God warned Noah that the world's violence had reached its limit. He told him to build a great ark, with rooms inside sealed with pitch. Noah was to take his wife, his sons, and their wives with him. And with them, pairs of every creature, male and female, so life would continue. Noah obeyed everything exactly as God commanded. Then when Noah was 600 years old, the deep burst open and the skies poured rain. Waters rose higher and higher, lifting the ark, while the world beneath was swept away. Inside, Noah and his family waited, uncertain of when the flood would end.